Hey friends, my name is Chand and I would be your instructor throughout this course on Spring 5 and I welcome you all. Now friends, in this video we will quickly try to understand what are the required softwares which we need to get started with Spring 5. So let's get started. Now in here, first thing first, we must need Java Development Kit to get started with Spring 5. So simply Google for JDK and the first search result would be by oracle.com. Now friends, the newer version of JDKs are always pipelined and you will be able to see the newer version of JDKs and you need not to worry about anything. Our code will still work on later version of JDKs and moreover there is always backward compatibility maintained by Oracle. Alright, so in here the latest version as of now is JDK 12. I will open this in a new tab and I will download the appropriate version. As of now, the operating system I am using is Windows, so I will download the Windows version. But in your case, the operating system may change, and based on your operating system, download and install the JDK. Now in here, first of all, we need to accept the agreement and then we need to initiate the download. Now in order to save some time, I have already downloaded the JDK and it's there on my desktop. Let me close this. Apart from this what we say JDK, let me cancel this. Apart from JDK, we also need to download Java SE 8. The reason being, the IDEs like Eclipse and STS are not fully compatible with JDK 12 as of now, but I will show you how to run our applications using Java 12. But to start with and to get started with the IDEs, we have to have Java 8 in our system. So we will download JDK 8 as well. Let me again accept the agreement and again we will download Windows version. And in here there are like multiple versions in here and there are two versions in Windows again. My Windows is 64-bit and I will download the 64-bit version of Java. Alright, so click on this link and it will redirect you to the sign on page. Create an account, it's a free account, and log in, and as soon as you log in, your JDK 8 download will start. Let me cancel this. Now if there is a confusion that whether your Windows is 64-bit or not, then simply navigate to property of your computer, and in here you would be able to see that your system type is 64-bit or not. My system is 64-bit. Alright, let me close this. And in here inside this folder we have JDK 12 and JDK 8 already downloaded. Alright, now moving forward, let me close this. The next thing which we need is a IDE. Now friends, initially there was something known as Spring IDE plugin for Eclipse. As of now, we have STS, Java Tool Suite, and this is nothing but a Eclipse version specifically designed for Spring development. So if you see, it's Spring Tool 4 for Eclipse. This is a Eclipse only, but with special features especially designed for Spring. So we can definitely download STS 4 for Windows or Mac OS. For Linux, based on your requirement, download the STS. And we will basically make use of STS. Click on the download and STS download will start. Again, let me cancel this. I already have downloaded this on our desktop. Apart from that, you can continue making use of Eclipse. It's up to you, but I will definitely urge you to make use of STS. That will be again better. Alright, so if you wish to download Eclipse, simply Google for Eclipse. The first search result would be Eclipse download. Click on Eclipse download and in here you can either download the installer or you can again go with the packages. So in that case, click on download packages and in here download the Java IDE for enterprise Java developers. Now Eclipse, IntelliJ and Tomcat are as of now optional packages which we don't need as of now. The absolute requirement is JDK and STS, Spring Tool Suite. So if it is quite boring for you to check all of these required software, you can skip the video and just download STS and Java as of now, and you can skip for the next video. Alright, and in order to download STS, simply Google for Spring Tool Suite. The first search result would be spring.io/tools. You can download STS from there. Alright, so finally, moving forward, let us quickly also check IntelliJ and Tomcat. IntelliJ is a yet another IDE, and I will show you how to run application under IntelliJ later down the line. So it is good to download it. Simply Google for IntelliJ, navigate to the link and download IntelliJ's community version. Now this community version is definitely something which is free and open source. So definitely we can use this, and we will be making use of the community version only. So again, it is good to download and keep it with you. And finally, let us also Google and download this web server, and this web server is something which we will use in our forthcoming videos. So there are a couple of versions, the latest version being version 9, and version 9 is something which we will use. So simply select the version from this links, which is version 9, and then click on this link 32-bit/64-bit Windows Service Installer. Now definitely you can also check out the macOS or Linux version of Tomcat. You will find it, and I will also share the links of how we can do that in our forthcoming videos. Alright, so now we have the required softwares. Let me cancel it. All the softwares are already downloaded and kept on the desktop inside this folder, which is Spring 5. So namely, here are the 6 softwares which we need: Java 12, Java 8, STS, Spring Tool Suite, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and Tomcat. Alright, so in our next video, we will quickly try to understand how to install and set things up. Basically, we will start using STA. Basically, we will configure the Spring Tool Suite in our next video. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.